You know, folks, everybody celebrates Christmas at their home a little different. But one thing's for sure, we all love to listen to those great old Christmas classics, those masterpieces. Like for instance, this lovely ballad written by the great Charles Berry, Esquire. Boy, child, what have you been longing for?
Said all I want for Christmas is a rock and roll electric guitar.
And in a way went Rudolph, whizzing like a choo-choo